Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane, just a normal one. Let's get started. So first you fold from here to there. Then you open it up. Then you put this a triangle on the one and then stop at the lines. The same thing on the other side. And then you do it again, like this. Then you fold it. And then we're gonna add the wings. And then same thing on the other side. And then there's the airplane. Hey guys, I'm going to add some like some little triangles so it can fly much higher, much faster. So this is how you do it, and then the same thing on this side. And then there, it's gonna fly better now.